um, Allah has made us, Allah created us, and to Him shall we return. Seeing my cat die, two of my cats die, was the hardest thing that I ever went through, and to see their hearts stop beating, to see it still is the hardest thing. To see that the heart has stopped beating is the hardest thing. So when cat died, my first cat died, I waited. I tried to, bring his heartbeat back. Like I did this. I don't know if I did the right thing. I put my fingers under his nose. No air was coming out. Then I tried a few ways to see if he's alive, but he was not moving. And after I think 6, 7 hours, his body started to become stiff and hard. My cats were the best thing that ever happened to me. When you see them lying still, it's the hardest thing, you just can't go through. So, so my first cat, when he died after, I think maximum 8 or 7 hours, his body started stiffening, and so uh, I covered his body in one of my unstitched clothes and my t-shirt. Then I, covered him like this, and then I went to my garden and my house garden. I was living on rent there. I, with the help of the guy who was working in my house, I asked him to help me, and we dug up a 3.5 or 4 feet, 3 deep hole in the garden soil, and then I placed my cat's body after reciting some Quranic verses, and then I put him in the hole, and then we put back the soil, we leveled up the soil, and I pray to Allah that may my cats forgive me for all the irresponsibilities on my behalf, on my part, and may Allah bless all the cats. May Allah bless all the innocent animals. May Allah give the best of health to each and every cat in this world. Ameen. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. That's what I decided after his death, immediately. But always get your cat checked by some vet that he has actually died or not.